Microvisioneer's mvSlide scanning software has a unique feature, the freeze mode. Discover what's behind it. Have you ever considered scanning sections from different glass slides into one virtual slide? The freeze mode is your solution. Simply scan the first slide or section. Just move the microscope stage, and mvSlide will automatically stitch the camera images in real time. Scanning with mvSlide is so easy and smooth. When your scan is complete, activate the freeze mode. The scanned image will be frozen so that you can remove the first slide and insert the second slide. Now move the stage with the newly inserted second slide, until you find a good starting position for the additional scan. Finally, drag the previously scanned and frozen image away until there is enough space for the next scan. Now, you can simply scan the second section next to the first one. Using the mvSlide freeze mode, you can add as many sections to the virtual slide as you like, and arrange them any way you want. The virtual slides are very descriptive and have a high didactic value. This makes the freeze mode particularly useful for teaching purposes. Contact us to learn more about mvSlide and its various features. We will be happy to advise you.